The A major chord, used extensively in rock. I'm thinking about how many AC/DC songs I know that have the A chord, the E chord, and the A chord, and the D chord, and it's just beautiful. It's power. So it's a whole lot of fun. A chord, you're using it in tons of songs all over Americana, folk, bluegrass. But here we go. Let's do the A chord. Let's get to it. The A chord, I was first taught an A chord like this. We have open A. We don't strum the low E string. Open A. A is our root, okay? I was first taught all across the second fret. First finger, second fret, D string. Second finger, second fret, G string. Third finger, third fret, B string, open E. This thing was a nightmare for me to make. I couldn't make it. I don't know. It's been years since I've even used this form. There it is. That's an A chord. Now, the other form that you can use is, well, take your first finger off and just make the same thing, cover the same frets with fingers 2, 3, and 4. So there you go. I use that one. That one works for me. Hey, if this one works for you and it's perfect, great. That's an A chord for you. We found it, you got it, lock in. If that one doesn't feel right and you want to try this one, good, that one works. The other one that you can do is bar the first finger there. Now, I know players that can play it like that and they enjoy it. What I'm doing is I'm using my first finger to cover the second fret of the D string, the G string, and the B string, and I press down hard enough to let the high E string ring out. That's possible. I rarely use it that way. A lot of times I'll just plop my first finger down there and stop my pick from playing the E string, or I just let it thud, right? That's it. That's the A chord I use a whole lot because, well, one, I can slide it around. I like that. I can also add these two fingers, and that works for me. That's what I use many times. But you'll see me use this one. I'll use this one. They're pretty much it. Those are the ones I use. You find the one that works for you. And yes, we don't strum that low E string. Start with the open A string, and you want, really, for a nice a complete A chord, you want that high E here to ring out. And indeed, rock will center into that root fifth and that root here. But we're okay. You find the one that works for you, the one that's comfortable for you, and meet me in the play section, and we'll have some fun with it. All right.